This ordinary parking lot might not look impressive at first, but in the right city location, it can generate nearly $2 million per year. Every single car that enters pays a small parking fee. Individually, it feels insignificant, but collectively, it becomes extremely powerful. Imagine 200 parking spaces, filled multiple times daily. That constant rotation of vehicles creates steady, predictable cash flow. If each driver pays $20, that equals $4,000 daily. No inventory, no complicated logistics, just space being rented temporarily. Multiply that by 30 days, and revenue crosses $120,000 monthly. That is stronger than many retail stores, with far fewer operational headaches. Over 12 months, annual revenue can exceed $1.4 million. In premium locations with higher pricing, $2 million becomes very realistic. The owner doesn't manage customers personally. He monitors reports remotely. Automation handles ticketing and payments, reducing stress and daily involvement. Modern entry gates scan tickets automatically. Payment kiosks accept cards and mobile apps. Technology reduces labor costs dramatically, making the system efficient and scalable. Security cameras cover every angle. Footage is stored digitally. This minimizes theft and disputes, while maintaining a professional operation. Unlike restaurants or shops, staff requirements stay minimal. One maintenance worker and one supervisor can manage the entire property. Location determines profitability. Near airports, hospitals, or business districts, demand remains constant, morning until late night. During concerts or sports events, RATES can double instantly. Temporary surge pricing creates powerful revenue spikes. Digital payments increase convenience. Drivers prefer cashless transactions. Faster processing means faster turnover and higher daily earnings. Maintenance remains simple. Occasional repainting and lighting repairs keep the facility professional, without excessive operational expense. This business earns money 24 hours daily. Even at midnight, cars arrive. Unlike many industries, income never truly stops. Expenses include property tax, insurance, utilities, and security systems. Compared to revenue, costs remain relatively controlled. After deducting expenses, profit margins can remain impressively high, especially when the land was purchased strategically years earlier. The land itself appreciates annually. So while earning cash flow, the underlying asset continues increasing in value. Owners can expand vertically, adding additional parking levels, doubles or triples capacity, without buying new land. Structured garages generate even more revenue. Covered parking allows premium pricing. Weather protection adds value and attracts consistent customers. This is why many real estate investors love parking lot businesses. Predictable income streams create long-term financial stability. However, smart research is essential. Zoning laws and demand analysis must be carefully evaluated before investing serious capital. When structured properly, this becomes a boring yet powerful asset. No glamour, no trends, just consistent monthly cash flow. Sometimes the simplest businesses are the most profitable ones. A parking lot may look ordinary, but it quietly builds serious wealth.